Okay, so we are back with a brand new taste test. This time we're checking out another flavor from Electrolit. This is their new blue raspberry flavored. It is about 70 calories per servings, but there's a little bit under 2 servings in the bottle, so you're looking at 130 per bottle. You got 0 grams of fat, 250 milligrams per serving for 30 per bottle of sodium, carbohydrate, 31 grams per bottle. That is 31 grams from total sugars. So that's all sugar. 0 grams of protein. And now here's the important part. We're talking about specifically the electrolytes now. This is where you get your fill back for your body when you're really, really deprived. Calcium is 51 grams, which is 4%. Potassium is 487, which is 10%. And magnesium is 29, which is 7. So you are getting a pretty even split between your sodium and your potassium, which is not great, but not horrible. You need more sodium than you need potassium when you're actually sweating a lot to do exercise. But sodium is going to increase your flavor, where potassium will taste a little bit better. But let's open this up. Let's see what this tastes like. Okay. Very light salt taste to it. That's definitely blue raspberry. It's a good flavor palette. It's not too overbearing. Yeah, this is good. This is something that you could drink when it wouldn't really feel like you're like drinking an energy drink. It's a little bit more sodium flavored than, say, for instance, your like traditional Gatorades, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Apparently it's sweetened with glucose. But yeah, hopefully you guys found this interesting and fun, and you guys want to pick up on yourself. We'll see you guys next time.